At walk-in sites today, getting swabbed was clearly proving pretty testing. A symptom of a system overstretched.
This is empty, look, there's nobody here, so why is it fully booked? And the nearest one that she can get is down Essex. I've been on, you can get an appointment in Essex, you get an appointment other place, but you can't get one in Bolton.
I've been turned away. So I'm post-transplant, I'm an SEN teacher assistant, so I'm a key worker and I can't get a test.
How frustrating is this?
I'm going to cry, that's how frustrating it is.
Hi, I'm Dr. Zainab Najim. I'm a GP trainee.
Even those who diagnose others can't get a test for themselves. This GP told me she's been trying since Sunday.
We have been on the government website for the last 2 days, refreshing every 20 to 30 minutes with no luck at all. To be stuck at home for 2 days, not being able to do your job properly at a time when the NHS needs its doctors the most is incredibly frustrating.
Order.
Today, MPs had plenty more stories like that.
There are no walk-in tests, no drive-through tests, no home kits available when they need it.
A counsellor sent to the Isle of Wight for her test, and a teacher who tested positive who had to wait a week for her results.
As the Health Secretary promised to sort testing within weeks.
I don't deny that it is an enormous challenge, and when you have a free service, it's inevitable that demand rises. The challenge is to make sure that we prioritise the tests we have as a nation to those who most need it.
But the number being carried out has been well below capacity for some time. In theory, it's possible to do almost 250,000 tests a day. But yesterday, there were still only 213,000 completed, as the government continues to promise it'll reach 500,000 by the end of October.
If you open your mouth for me, wide, and bring your tongue out, please.
After hospital staff, carers will now be prioritised. They carry out weekly tests on themselves, but it's the results they can't rely on.
Some tests don't even come back. I've had one member of staff, it hasn't come back. Twice we've done it, so we've had to do it again. And it's over 5 days until we get the tests back.
So the testing's actually getting worse?
It's got worse. It's got worse.
Partly because demand is surging, with pupils back in schools, but some teachers back at home also waiting for tests.
By Friday, we had 5 members of staff self-isolating. By yesterday, Monday, we have 8. And none of these staff are now able to access an online test.
Tonight, no matter what your job, waiting for a simple swab is often a test of patience. Paul Brand, ITV News.